Hey Kipro fam, in today's quick guide, I will show you how to create a KUCOIN account in 2025 step by step. Whether you are brand new to crypto or switching platforms, this video's for you. First of all, head over to KUCOIN.com. That's KUCOIN.com. Always double check the URL to avoid phishing sites. You can do this on your browser or mobile. Now click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You will get two options: email registration or phone registration. For this video, I am enter my email, or you can also sign up with your Google account. If you're using your email or phone number, create a strong password and the verification code sent to your inbox or phone. Agree to the terms and conditions and hit sign up. Then click I'm not a robot or I'm human. Go to your Gmail inbox and copy the verification code and paste here and click submit. Right after signing up, KuCoin will prompt you to secure your account, like add a two-factor authentication, that like Google Authenticator, set a trending password used for withdrawals and trades. Optionally bind your email and phone together for added safety. Security first, especially in crypto. If you want higher withdrawal limits or access to all features, complete your KYC verification. Go to your account. Then identity verification. Then click verify. Then click continue in browser. Select your country. Select your ID from here, like passport, ID card. Then complete a quick face scan using your webcam or phone. Upload your government issued ID. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. In 2025, once you are in, take a moment to explore your KuCoin dashboard. By Crypto tab, to use card, bank transfer, or P2P. Markets tab, to browse coins, assets, for assets tab to check balances, trade for spot, trading, futures, margin, and more. KuCoin offers hundreds of tokens and powerful tools even for beginners. Don't forget to download the KuCoin mobile app for trading on the go. It's available on Android and iOS with all desktop features packed inside. And that's how you create a KuCoin account in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want a tutorial on trading or transferring funds on KuCoin. Stay safe, trade smart, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.